We have explored less than 20% of the ocean, and what we found will haunt you. 5. The blobfish prove beauty isn't required to survive. 4. Giant squid, massive eyes longer than a bus. 3. Underwater rivers, currents flowing beneath the sea. 2. Ghost shark, a creature that looks straight from nightmare. If you like this, subscribe for more. And 1. The Mariana snailfish, living deeper than any other. If that's just what we have found, imagine what's still hidden down there.